Hello and welcome. This is Mala. I'm excited to have you join me on this hands-on journey into the world of AI agents and agentic AI. Whether you are a beginner looking to understand AI agents from the ground up, or a developer who wants to build real-world AI applications using today's leading frameworks, this course is designed to take you from the fundamentals to advanced production-ready systems. By the end of this course, you'll understand not only how AI agents work, but also how to design, build, and evaluate intelligent autonomous systems using the most popular AI agent frameworks available today. Let's take a quick tour of everything you'll learn. We begin by setting up your development environment. I'll show you how to install Anaconda, work with Jupyter Notebook, use Markdown for documentation, configure Visual Studio Code, and Google Colab so you're ready to build projects throughout the course. Next, we'll cover Python fundamentals. Even if you are new to Python or need a quick refresher, we'll review variables, data types, packages, control flow, loops, functions, and the most important Python data structures, including lists, tuples, strings, sets, and dictionaries. This gives everyone a solid programming foundation before we move into AI development. Once the environment and Python basics are ready, we'll begin exploring AI agents. You'll learn what AI agents really are, why they've become one of the hottest topics in artificial intelligence, and how to separate the real capabilities from the hype. We'll dive deep into agent architecture and explore different levels of autonomy, helping you understand what makes an AI system truly agentic. After that, we'll explore the technology that powers modern AI agents, large language models or LLMs. You'll learn what LLMs are, why they're called large, how they evolved over time, why model parameters matter, and how these models are trained from massive data sets into intelligent reasoning systems. With that foundation in place, we'll start building AI agents using LangChain. You'll create your first AI agent, understand how tool calling enables agents to interact with external systems, learn the React reasoning framework, and build intelligent agents that can reason, plan, and act step by step. Before diving deeper into specific tools, we'll take a guided tour of today's AI agent ecosystem. You'll compare popular frameworks including LangChain, LangGraph, CrewAI, AutoGen, LlamaIndex, Langflow, Agno, N8N, and other emerging platforms. We'll discuss code first, low code and no code approaches so you can understand where each framework fits and when to use it. Next, we'll move into Langflow, where you'll build AI agents visually. You'll learn how to install Langflow, solve common setup issues, and create practical applications including a URL reading agent, a mathematical reasoning agent, a multi-agent travel planner, and a YouTube analysis agent. From there, we'll explore Hugging Face smolagents. You'll understand the difference between tool calling agents and code agents before building research agents, vision agents, and multi-agents AI systems. We'll also introduce Langfuse so you can observe, trace, and evaluate your AI agents like production systems. Then we'll move into one of the most important concepts in modern AI applications, Retrieval-Augmented Generation or RAG. Using LlamaIndex, you'll build your first RAG application, learn how Agentic RAG extends traditional retrieval systems, and develop an intelligent AI assistant that combines retrieval, reasoning, and external knowledge sources. After that, we'll master LangGraph, one of the most powerful frameworks for creating production-ready AI workflows. You'll build an AI-powered email automation workflow, a vision assistant with email integration using SendGrid, and an AI resume optimization agent using LangGraph, LangChain, and Pydantic. Finally, we'll dive into CrewAI and learn how to build collaborative multi-agent systems. You'll create a multi-agent content creation framework, build an AI-powered sales outreach system, automate resume and interview preparation with an AI job application system, and finish the course by developing a complete multi-agent AI stock trading system that brings together many of the concepts you've learned throughout the course. Throughout this course, you will gain a practical experience with LangChain, LangGraph, CrewAI, LlamaIndex, Langflow, Hugging Face smolagents, Langfuse, React, tool calling, Agentic RAG, multi-agent systems, and production-ready AI workflows. This course is designed to be highly practical. Rather than focusing only on theory, we'll build real-world projects together so you can understand how modern AI agent systems are designed and implemented. I encourage you to experiment with the examples. That's where the real learning happens. Thank you for choosing this course, and I'm excited to be your instructor. And I look forward to helping you become confident in building modern AI agents and intelligent autonomous systems. Let's get started, and I'll see you in the first lecture.